Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error, the word according to. So you can say this video is teaching about the grammatical mistake, or the grammatical mistake or a common error is a bit of same thing. So I am giving here the two examples to explain how to everybody's mistake in the word common error, the word according to. So the first example is, according to me, we should spend more money on education. According to me, we should spend more money on education. Here you can see the I use the word according to. You say according to. So this is the grammatical mistake. According to me. Don't use the according to me. In my opinion, or you can say in my opinion. In my opinion, we should spend more money on education. In my opinion, use in my opinion, because because don't use according to me. Always use the, when you use the according to, you can say the according to Ram, or according to this, right, according to the writer, or you can say the according to Dr. Sun, or according to our teachers. And don't use this is the correct, this is according to, this according to correct. Always is according to Ram, according to the writer, according to the Dr. Shan, according to her teachers, and don't use the according to me or us. This is a incorrect, this is a grammatical error. So the second example is, according to Urvashi's opinion, less money should be spent on jewelry. According to Urvashi's opinion. So this is I used here the according to Urvashi's opinion. Here you can see this, I am using the same according to Urvashi's. This is the incorrect, this is the common error. So here you can see according to Ram, or according to the writer, according to the Dr. Shan. I explained you how to use the according to Ram. So according, the correct answer is according to. Urvashi is a name of female person. Urvashi. Don't use the apostrophe s opinion. According to Urvashi, less money should be spent on jewelry. Okay, and don't use according to me. It is a common error. Don't use according to me, according to us. So you should use in my or in us opinion. This is the correct. This is correct. So according to, so you can say that according to the Charles Anderson, the government should pay. So the closer attention to public opinion. So to introduce your own opinion, so introduce your, so you can say the introduce your own opinion. You can say this is the own opinion, this is the correct own opinion, my opinion, own opinion, my opinion, our opinion. You can say this one. In my opinion and our opinion, your own opinion. You can say this. You can. This is not a common error. This is not a grammatical mistake. It's grammatically right. To introduce your own opinion, always use in or our opinion. In my or our opinion. In my opinion, he doesn't deserve a prison sentence. So these were two examples to explain the common error, the using of according to. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.